Adding wake-up calls. Hear the guest request for a wake-up call. Use the Google Chrome bookmark or enter the email address. Here it is on the bookmark under wake-up calls. The email address is right here to enter. Go ahead and log in. The login is user, the password is password. Locate the wake-up calls button. Highlight the cursor. Go to single room. Type in the room number in the create box. Add in the time you would like the wake-up call. Hit set. Confirm that the wake-up call has been made in the scheduled wake-up in the scheduled box to the left. Notate a pass on for the night audit to let them know that they will have a wake-up call in the morning.